Hi, my name is Shaunak. I'm a rising junior and I go to Evergreen Valley High School. For my second milestone, I'll talk about the workflow and steps that I progressed to configure and set up all the aspects of AWS to work together in my project. To communicate and manage AWS services, I installed the AWS command line interface onto my Raspberry Pi. With the CLI and a few other components installed, I can now work on setting up the Amazon S3 bucket, a recognition collection, and database table from DynamoDB. Amazon S3 is a commonly abbreviated form of Amazon's simple storage system, which stores large amounts of data securely in buckets. Essentially, a cloud hard disk that securely holds the user's data, while with the added functionality of being able to communicate with other AWS services. When the doorbell is pressed, the Raspberry Pi takes a picture of the guest and uploads the image to the S3 bucket. To scan the image, a face request search is sent to Amazon Rekognition, a powerful visual search engine. Reference images are stored in collections, and Rekognition scans the image from the S3 bucket and returns a match with an image ID if found. The information is then indexed to Amazon DynamoDB, a database which stores the face and name information. If the guest is identified, the doorbell opens. If the guest is not identified, then an email is sent to the user with attachment of the guest image. Throughout this process, I struggled in a few places. When uploading the image IDs to DynamoDB, my image file types were not supported, despite appearing as JPEG files. As it turned out, when converting my images, the file type didn't really change. A few other smaller errors popped up throughout the configuration and testing process. My next steps include meshing all my code together to function at the press of one button.